Okay, welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So today we're gonna cook something. You know what I'm gonna cook? And so we're gonna make something special today. Of course, everything we make is so special. And today I'm gonna make pizza tempeh. Tempeh? Okay, so any type of tempeh. Usually in Indonesia we use soy tempeh, but now here in America I use soy-free tempeh, and we have the soy-free tempeh from Big Culture Tempeh. It's organic tempeh. It's very good. It's a very unique. The taste is so much better. And we are going to use black eyed peas tempeh today. We're gonna make pizza, and what we're gonna use 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Then let's start cooking. Okay. This, so you can cut into two, or you can cut. I'll do like last time when we went to Rome, they had that type of pizza. It's not round, but it's square. Then now we're gonna make square pizza. Okay, this is square pizza. All right, then be careful. Or you can use that kind of like, you can do like that too. Do like that. Do like that. Bumbu merah here, okay. Little taste here. 1, 2, yeah. Okay, so like that. And then you can still see the, I call the fiber, because we do it for something real. It's an all natural and it's real. Oh yeah, bumbu merah. If you guys, because I didn't find cheese, which is vegan cheese. If you want to use vegan cheese, you can use vegan cheese. Cooking is not about your speed in cutting onion. Cooking is more about love. Cooking is more about fun. It's not about cutting onion. Okay. Okay. Then
for my compost.
Oh, your compost. Oh, yeah, we're gonna use this for compost. Put it there. Okay. From this, because accept something that you wanna put, doesn't matter. Okay. Careful when you cut scallion, because you can cut your finger. I put it here a little bit. Okay, scallion there. And then I'm gonna put it here too. Just a little bit. Ooh, I'm afraid in cutting my things now. Put it there. Okay. That, and then you need this with less salt. So the salt, it's gonna be depend on you. Any type of salt do you want to use? So today I'm gonna use vegan vegetable base. I'm gonna use vegetable base today for this. Okay, I'll do, and you can always taste like that amount vegetable base you can use, and then put it here too. Okay. Okay. Spicy. It's so good. Okay. Yeah, I'll put a little bit more, because vegan vegetable base is not really salty, so you can put more. So you can put umami, you can put a vegetable base, you can put veggie stock or whatever. It's a vegan, so you can put that, and that it's organic and it's gluten free. Remember, you can put gluten free vegetable base. Okay. The basil smell, guys, so fresh. Okay, so now let's decorate our pizza. This is the bumbu merah first. Okay, kutung. Just do like that. Yeah, and then when you use this bumbu merah, depend on you. You wanna 3 spoon, 4 spoon, 2 spoon, depend on the flavor that you want. Okay, put it there, put it there, put it there. And this is very worth it. You don't want to waste this. Okay, and then and put it just a little bit there. Okay, and then can put the tomatillas right there, and then put this. Ta-da! That's for bumbu merah. If you want to put more onion, you can put onion like that. You chop and put onion. And then now we're gonna use the bumbu hijau. This is a basil one. Do like that. If you have vegan cheese, you can put vegan cheese on the top. Very, very simple. Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da. I'm gonna put all of that. And if you want more salt, so you can put salt on the top. I'm gonna put some umami again on the top. Okay. Ta-da. And I'm gonna put this on the top too. See, that's very simple, guys. It's a very, very, very simple. Put your stuff there. Ta-da. 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 Chuk, chuk, chuk. Chuk, chuk, chuk. Chuk. Kuchuk, kuchuk. You are done with. If you wanna anything to put on the top, that's fine. You wanna put basil, you wanna put vegan cheese, put it on the top. One there, one on the top. Okay guys, so we have we are done with the Tempeh Pizza. It's a gluten-free tempeh pizza and it's 100% vegans with 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Make the world tastier and go by at 17,000flavors.cooking. The seasoning is very easy. You just need to just mix everything, mix it, and cook. That's it. There you go. Ta-da! This is the basil one, and this is the coriander and nutmeg, or the spicy one. So this is chili pizza, and this is basil pizza. Let's eat it. Bye, and thank you for watching.